I would like to welcome all of you in the lesson number 34 for grade 3 mathematics, guys. The topic which we started yesterday, that is fact family problem. Okay, and we learned about the multiple. What is multiple? A quick revision for the last class, guys. Then we will complete question number 1 of our topic, fact family problem in the notebook. What are the multiples, guys? When we start counting at 0 and count in steps of equal sizes, the number we say are the multiples of that step. Let's suppose if we start counting at 0 and we count on in twos, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. So this will be multiples of 2. If we start from 0 and if we count on in threes, 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. So this will be multiples of 3. If we count on, we start from 0 and we count on in 5, so 0, 5, 10, 15, this will be multiples of 5. Same if we start from 0 and count on in tens, 0, 10, 20, and so on. So this will be multiples of 10. Okay. So one more definition I told you about the multiples of any number, guys. Multiples of 2, let's suppose any multiples, and let's suppose you take multiples of 2. If any number is exactly divisible by 2, that means this is a multiple of 2. If any number is exactly divisible by 3, that means it is a multiple of 3. So in that we can also check whether a number is a multiple of particular number or not. Then we completed question number 1, where you have to find out the missing number. Let's investigate. Okay, so this was the fact family tree. Some numbers were missing there. Okay, and you start counting from 0 and count on 5. So this is 0. I keep this one 0. Then look at the 5. This is you count on 5, 0, 5. After 5, what comes? 10. This is 10. After 10, 15. This is 15. Then after 15, 20. Then after 20, where is 25? And this is 25. Then 25 into 25, 30. This is 30. Then after 30, 35. And then where is 40? This is 40. Then where is 45? This is 45. And then where is 50? This is 50. 55. This is 55. 60. 65. Then 70. 70. This is 75. After 70, 75. This is 75. Then 80, 85, and 90, 95. And this is how you count on in fives. I also explained to you how to find out the numbers to make a pair of 100, guys. With the help of this multiples of 5 or this tree, you can make 2 pairs to make 100. Like if I give you 10 plus, what will give you? Let's suppose if I give you 15 plus, what will give you 100? 15 plus dash will give you 100. So the formula and the rule for this is very simple. You have to make a pair of 2 numbers. If you add these 2 numbers, you will get the answer 100. So 15 plus what will give you 100? For that, a very easy way, subtract a smaller number from a bigger number. Here bigger number is 100, smaller number is 15. Subtract 15 from 100. This is 100 and this is 15. Subtract 15 from 100. From 0 you cannot subtract 5. So 0 will ask for 1 from this 0. This is 0, it cannot give. So it will give to this 0, it will become 10, and 10 will give 1 to this 0 and become 9. 10 minus 5, 5, and 9 minus 1, 8. So 15 plus 85 is equals to 100. 15 plus 85 is equals to 100. Let's suppose I take one number. Let's suppose I take this 55 number. Okay. That 55 plus what will give you 100. So look at here. I write here 55 plus what will give you 100. So again, the formula and the rule is the same, guys. Subtract a smaller number from bigger number. This is bigger number, 100 is a bigger number, and 55 is a smaller number. So this is 100 and this is 55. Subtract 55 from 100. Write 100 first and then write 55. So this is 55. Now from 0 you cannot subtract 5 again. What you will do, this 0 will go to this 0 and ask for 1. This 0 will take 1 from this one and become 10. And now this 10 will give 1 to this 0 and become 10 and it will be 9. 10 minus 5, 5 and 9 minus 5, 4. So 55 plus 45 will give you 100. If you want, you can check also. This is 55 and this is 45. When you add it, the answer should be 100. 5, 5, 10, 0, 1 carry, 5 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, and 6 plus 4, 10. So this is 10. So guys, this is how we will solve question number 1. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Very good. So now you can make a pairs. You can make a pair of two numbers, which will give the sum of 100. Okay. And let's come to the question number 1. Question number 1 is quite similar to the examples which we completed right now. Okay. So 5 plus what will give you 100? For that, what you will do? Subtract 100. Subtract 5 from 100, and 5 plus 95 will give you 100. Same here, 35 plus what will give you 100? For that, what is the bigger number? Bigger number is 100. You will subtract 35 from 100, and in that way you will find the answer. Okay. So take out your notebook, guys. We are going to do some work. Take out your notebook. On the top of the page, write the heading. On the top of the page, write the date. Today is 13th October 2021. I'm going to share a new screen with you guys. I'm going to share a new screen with you. Until then, provide the date, 13 October 2021. Day, today is Wednesday. Page number 15, fact family flower. Guys, can you see the new screen?
Yes.
That's very good. Start writing in your notebook, guys. Start writing in your notebook. So fact family flower is the heading, guys. Question number 1 is copy and complete the following. Provide the rule here, guys. What is the rule? As I told you, subtract a smaller number from larger number. This is 5 plus dash equals 200. 5 plus dash equals 200. I will show you here subtraction. And even I will ask you how to do subtraction from one of the students. So I will keep changing the sharing screen for you, sharing screen, because I will ask you the answer. I will not write the answer by myself. 5 plus what will give me 100? This is I am going to ask by one of the students. 5 plus what will give me 100? This is I am going to ask by one of the students. 5 plus what will give me 100? This is I am going to ask by one of the students. 5 plus what will give me 100? This is I am going to ask by one of the students. 5 plus what will give me 100? This is I am going to ask by one of the students. 5 plus what will give me 100? This is I am going to ask by one of the students. 5 plus what will give me 100? This is I am going to ask by one of the students. 5 plus what will give me 100? This is I am going to ask by one of the students. 5 plus what will give me 100? This is I am going to ask by one of the students. 5 plus what will give me 100? This is I am going to ask by one of the students. 5 plus what will give me 100? This is I am going to ask by one of the students. 5 plus what will give me 100? This is I am going to ask by one of the students. 5 plus what will give me 100? This is I am going to ask by one of the students. 5 plus what will give me 100? This is I am going to ask by one of the students. 5 plus what will give me 100 Those students who want to participate, please raise your hand. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. 5 plus what will give me 100?
95.
How do you know?
We take 100
Because
minus
100 minus
5.
Okay.
5.
Now, how you will subtract now?
We take 1.
We take 1 from where? This is 0.
Yes. 10.
This is 10 now. Now,
9.
9. Okay. Then
10.
10. Okay. Then
5.
5. That's fine. Then here
9.
9. And here
0.
okay. That's very good. That's mean 95 is the answer.
Yes.
That's very good. Let me ask other students, guys. Is Ilyas answer correct?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. Exactly, guys. Look, 100 minus 5 from bigger number, you will subtract a smaller number. You will subtract 5 from 100. From 0, you cannot subtract 5. 0 asks for 1, but this 0 doesn't have anything. So this 0 take 1 from this 1 first and become 10. Then it will give 1 to this 0. So this 10 give 1 to this 0. It becomes 9. 10 minus 5, 5. This 9 minus 0, 9. And this is 0. 0 minus 0, 0. So the answer is 95. The answer is 95. So you will write here 95. This is the answer. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Very good, guys. Now, the second question. 35 plus what will give me 100? Yes, guys, answer me in the chat box. 35 plus what dash will give me 100? 35 plus dash is equals to 100. No, Sharif. Yes, guys, 35 plus dash equals to 100. Answer me in the chat box. 35 plus what equals to 100? Adam Khalid, very good. Muhammad Al Harbi, very good. Muhammad Al Harbi, very good. Muhammad Fadi, very good. Ahmad Yusuf, no. Rafiq, no. Sharif, very good. Very good, Mashari. No, Suleiman. I'm going to take one student. Ali Nizar.
Yes, sir.
35 plus what will give you 100?
65.
65.
65.
How do you know?
100 minus 35.
Please help me to subtract. Please help me for subtract this subtraction also. Help me to solve this subtraction. 100 minus
Minus 55 equals 65.
how? Yes. Now do the subtraction. How you will solve it? How you will subtract 35 from 100? Please tell me. Yes. Can you subtract 5 from 0? Is it possible to subtract 5 from 0? Yes.
You ask
Mhm.
us to for 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 10
This will
10
become
us
10. Mhm.
and the 0 becomes 10.
Okay, and this 10 becomes
The 0 becomes 10.
this 10 becomes 9. When it gives 1 to this 0, it becomes 9. Okay, now 10 minus 5. Sharif,
And this
close your camera, Sharif. 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5 equals to what?
box equals 5.
Very good.
And 9 minus 3 equals 6.
Very good. And this is 0. We don't need to write 0, right? So the answer is 65. So that's very good. Thank you. Yes, guys, please check the answer. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Very good. Now, guys, dash plus 80 is equals to 100. Yes. Dash plus 80 is equals to 100. You have to find out dash plus 80 is equals to 100. Yes, guys, answer me in the chat box. Very good. Suleiman, Ilyas, Muhammad Fadi, Adam Khalid, Muhammad Fadi, Suleiman, Ahmad Yusuf. Very good. So I would take one student for that. This is very easy. Dash plus 80 is equals to 100. And I'm going to take Ayan Farhan. Ayan Farhan.
Yes, sir, it is 20.
How it is 20?
Why? Because
Mm-hmm.
100
Mm-hmm.
100 plus 80 minus 80.
Because 100 minus 80 is equals to 100 minus 20 is equals to 80. That's very good. Can you help me to do solve it with the help of subtraction?
You have to give 0 a 1, it will become 10. Then you have to give
Just
10.
wait, let me write it
0
first. This is 100 and you have to subtract 20. Now tell me please. Yeah. From 0, can I subtract 0? 0 minus 0 is equals to?
0.
Okay. And then 0 minus 2, is it possible?
No.
Okay, then we will take 1 from 1, right?
Yes.
It will become 10.
Yes.
And 10 minus 2 equals?
8.
That is very good. Thank you. So Ayan Fran said 80 and this is the correct answer, guys. You subtract 20 from 80, 0 minus 0, 0, 10 minus 2 is 8, and this 1, when it gives 1 to the 0, it is 0. So the answer is 80. Is it clear, guys?
No, sir, 20. No, sir.
20 plus 80 is equals to 100, yes. Oh, okay. I make it a bullet. So this is 20. So 20 plus 80 is equals to 100. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes,
That's very good. Okay, guys. Now, did you complete ABC, guys? Did you complete question number ABC from question number 1?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm going down for question number D, E, and F. For question number D, E, and F. Now, dash plus 15 is equals to 100. Dash plus 15 is equals to 100. For that, what you will do, again, the formula will be same. The rule is same. You will subtract 15 from 100 and you will find out that 15 plus what will give you 100. So answer me in the chat box, guys, for D. Dash plus 15 is equals to 100. Very good, Ilyas, Muhammad Fadi, Umar Hassan, Suleiman. 15 plus what will give you 100? Yes, guys. Ilyas, very good. Muhammad Al Harbi, very good. No, Suleiman Abdul Aziz. Let's take one student wise with me. And Suleiman Abdul Aziz.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Suleiman. 15 plus what will give you 100?
85.
How do you know? Yes. Because you subtracted 85 from 100?
Yes.
Okay, please show me how you subtracted. Help me to subtract it. 100 minus 85. Can you subtract 5 from 0?
No.
Then what you will do?
Borrow from 10.
Okay.
Borrow from 10.
Okay. Then this 10 will be?
9.
And 10 minus 5 equals?
5.
And 9 minus 8 equals?
1.
1. That's very good. Again, I do opposite. This is A, B, C. We are going D dash plus 15. So we should minus here 15. Okay, 100 minus 15. Now tell me this. 9 minus 1 equals? 8. So 15 and 85 will make 100, right?
Yes.
So 15 and 85 will make 100. That's very good. Thank you. Yes, guys, is it clear?
Yes.
Very good. Same here, guys. For this, we will subtract 45. 100 minus 45 will give you, what will be the answer? I receive answers from Suleiman, Ilyas, Umar Hassan, no. So I'm going to take one of the student. Muhammad Said.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Muhammad. 100 minus what will give you 45?
100 minus what will give you
45.
45 minus 55.
Exactly. The formula is same, guys. What you will do, now you will subtract smaller number from bigger number. 100 is bigger number, subtract 45 from 100.
Minus 55, sir.
Yes, minus 55, exactly. This is the answer.
Can I answer the next question?
Okay, answer. 100 minus dash equals to 65. Yes.
Minus 35, sir.
That's right. Good. That's right. Good. Thank you.
Welcome.
All right. So guys, this is 100 minus 55. I show you here 100 minus 55. 100 minus 45. This is question number D, E. This is smaller number. This is bigger number. So from 100, you will subtract here 45. Okay. And this will be same. You cannot subtract 5 from 0. Then you will take 1 from 10. It will become 9. This is 0. This 0 will take 1 from it. This one. This become 10. After giving 1, it become 9. 10 minus 5. 5. 9 minus 4. 5. So it is 55. 100 minus 55. Same here, guys. 100 minus 65. So instead of 4, you will write here 6. This will be same, but what will be changed? 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 5, it will be 4. It will be 45. So guys, 100 minus dash is equals to 65. Yes,
Sir, please can you go up?
35.
35. Very good. And I receive answers in the chat box. Suleiman, Ali Nizar. So 100 minus 35 is equals to 65. When you subtract 65 from 100, I'll show you here. This is 65. This again, one take from 0, 9, 10, 10, one give 1 to here, 9, 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 6 equals to 3. So this is 3, 35. 35 is the answer. Clear, guys?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Very good. I'm going to zoom out for you if you had not finished. You can see here A, B, C, D, E, and F. But I'm giving you 2 minutes, guys. Complete it fast. Then we will complete question number 2. Question number 2 is which number sentences would you have written if you were using a number pairs for multiple of 100 with a total of 1000? So after this, we will write question number 2, guys. After it, we will write question number 2. And question number 2 is which number sentences would you have written if you were using number pairs for multiples of 100 with a total of 1000? Here, what we will have to do, guys, we have to make a pair of multiples, a pair with the multiples of 100 to make a total of 1000. Okay, so I will write multiples of 100 first. Start counting from 0 and add hundreds. So you can write in that way the multiples of 100. So multiples of 100 are, I'm going to write the answer now for it. Multiples of 100 are 0, then 0 plus 100, 100, 100 plus 100, 200, then 300, then 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, and 900, and so on. It will be continued. Guys, can I go down now?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm telling you here. Now in question number 2, guys, what you have to do, you have to use multiples of 100 to make a total of 1000. I give you one example, then I will take your answers in the chat box, like 100 plus 900 is equals to 1000. So this is also a multiple of 100 and this is also a multiple of 100, and you write in the number sentence, you find out the pairs of multiples of 100 which give you the total of 1000. In this way you have to complete question number 2. Okay, until the students are writing, you can share me the answers for question number 2. You can write different number sentences. Okay, as per your choice, you just have to use the multiples of 100 to make a total of 1000. Yes, guys. For question number 2, please participate or write a number sentence for question number 2. Use any of the multiple of 100 to make a total of 1000. Yes, Ali Nizar, these are multiples of 100. But you have to use 2 multiples of 100 to make a pair of 1000. Ali Nizar, very good. Ali Nizar is the first one who sent me the answer. Yes, guys. Adam Khalid, very good. Which 2 multiples of 100 will give you 100? Ali Nizar. Very good. Umar Hassan, we have to do addition, okay? Not multiplication. We have to make a pair of addition by using multiples of 100 in order to make 1000. Don't use multiplication. Muhammad Al Harbi, very good. Ahmad Khalid, very good. Ilyas, very good. Ahmad Yusuf. Oh, guys, we have to use addition, not multiplication. Okay, make it clear. Because we have to make a pair of total. We have to use multiples of 100 pair to make a sum of total of 1000. Adam Khalid, very good. No, 200 plus 700 is not 1000. 200 plus 700 is equals to 900. Yeah, that's fine. Now I'm going down, guys. I have give you enough time. So guys, you can write 200. So 200 plus what will give you 1000? It will be 800. And if you are adding 300, I will use these multiples. 300. 300 plus what will give you 1000? 300 plus 700 will give me 1000. In this way, I can write now 400. Yes, guys. 400 plus what will give you 1000? Answer me in the chat box.
600.
Very good. 400 plus 600 will give you 1000. That's very good. And 500 plus what will give you 1000? Yes, guys. 500 plus what will give you 1000? Answer me in the chat box. 500 plus what will give you 1000? Very good, Ilyas, Ayan, very good. Ahmad Yusuf, very good. Abdurrahim Fadi, very good. Amjad Abdullah, very good. Amjad Muhammad Mantar, very good. Okay. Yes, now I'm going to open your mic. 500 plus what will give you 1000?
1000.
Yes. So this is the answer, guys. This is now, if you want, you can write more 600 plus 400, but you know, if you want to write, you can write it. I am going to end it up to here, 500 plus 500. So this is the answer, guys. So we completed the topic fact family flower. Question number 1, 5 plus what will give 100? 5 plus 95 will give us 100. Question number 2, 35 plus what will give 100? 35 plus 65 give 100. Okay, and 20 plus 80 is 100. 85 plus 15 is 100. 100 minus 55 is 45. 100 minus 35 is 65. For all these questions, you have to use a simple rule. Always subtract a smaller number from larger number in order to find out the missing number. Okay. Then the question number 2 was, which number sentence would you have written if you were using number pairs for multiples of 100 with a total of 1000? Okay. Now, they are asking which number sentence you can write, guys, if you're using number pairs for multiple of 100. So I write multiple of hundreds first. These are the multiple of hundreds. So by using any of 2 multiples of 100, if I had to make 100, which number sentences I can use? So this number sentence, I can write 100 plus 900, or I can write 200 plus 100, or I can write 300 plus 700, or I can write 400 plus 600, or I can write 500 plus 500, and the result I will get in all, that will be 1000. So up to here, everything is clear, guys?
Sir.
Very good, very good. So guys, this is the end of our class, our lesson. Just for your practice, I'm going to give you one question, and that question I'm going from write from red. You don't need to write it in your notebook, okay? Let's suppose if I ask you that 800 plus dash will give you 1000. Can you tell me answer for that? 800 plus dash is equals to 1000. With number sentences of 1000, I am asking this question. 800 plus dash will give you 1000. Very good, Ali Nizar. Very good, Ahmad Yusuf. Very good, Amjad Muhammad. Very good, Ilyas. Very good, Muhammad Farooq. And very good, Suleiman Abdul Aziz. Umar Hassan, very good. Abdul Aziz Fahad, very good. Khalid, very good. Adam Khalid, very good. Manthar, very good. Abdul Rahim Fadi, very good. Abdul Rahim Fadi, very good. And I'm going to open your mic now. Yes, guys, 800 plus what will give you 1000? 200. Very good. Same like if I ask you 400 plus what will give you 1000, so you will say sir 600. But this was just for practice. So this is the end of our class, guys. Inshallah, I'll meet you to the next class. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.